Hey y'all, good afternoon. I want to show you how to check your teacher's grades so you can know what to do when it comes around for that task. So, first thing you want to do is you want to be in Campus Tools. Stay out of the other one. Stay out of instruction. Make sure you're in Campus Tools. Go to the course you want to go to. It usually opens up here. Go to Search. In your course section, you can go here if you want to put in the subject, or you can go here if you want to do it by teacher's name. All right. I was checking just as an example. I'll use Holly as an example. Holly Bishop. Did a search for Holly. This came up. Her courses that came up. You select here. You see Holly Bishop, but make sure you select the course itself. I'm gonna start there. Now scroll up to the top. Make sure you select sections, and under sections, find the teacher you want to look at. Here's Holly. She's there. I want to select here on the grade book. Now you'll come to this page, looks blank, like, oh no, what is going on? There are no grades in there, but they are. Just go to current progress. In the current progress, you'll see all the grades you need to see. Now it's like, well, how do I scroll over and see everything? Like, there's only half in there. You can go ahead and maximize this if you need to and scroll your mouse across the bottom, and you can use the arrows at the bottom of the screen here. But this is how you check your teacher's grades. You can go in progress grades are here. The categories are there, and when it's time to post, they'll post them on this side. You just be able to easily sift down and see where they're at. But that's how you check teachers' grades. Have a great day, y'all. Thanks.